Let's see how we can create one-to-one personal bookings using Timetics AI. So first of all, we'll go to app.timetics.ai, or if you're already inside it, you can just click on manage calendars and you'll land into this page. Now from here, what we can do is we can click on create new, and you'll see the one-to-one personal booking creation option. So just click on here, and then we can add any booking title like web development meeting, and you can set the duration. So I want it to be 30 minutes, and then from here you will automatically get a URL, and if you want you can also customize this URL if you like. Then if you click on continue, great. Now we can insert more information about the meeting right here. So this is the booking title, and here we can write the description. So let's just get it like this, and then you do have the option to change the URL from here as well. Now this is the fun part where it happens. So from here we can specify where we want this meeting to conduct. So I can choose Google Meet, or I can choose in person. In fact, I can use all of them at once, so the actual clients will be able to pick and choose whichever method they want. So I will just go ahead with Google Meet for now, and you can also change the meeting duration from here as well. That's it. That's the calendar setup part. And now let's move on to the pricing. From here you can set the price. So if you want it to be free, you can left it at 0, but if you want to be a paid meeting, then you can just insert your price, let's say $9.99, and if you want to give any discount, you can enter the discounted price right here, but I'm leaving this field empty as of now. You do have the option to enable the recurring meeting so that the clients will be able to book you on a recurring basis. So I'm leaving this thing off. Then you do have the option to allow multiple person booking. So if you want, you can let clients to book for other clients as well. I'm also leaving this off right now. This is another option called guest allowed. So what this does actually, let's say if you want your client to bring guests with them, you can also enable this feature from here, and you can specify how many guests are allowed per meeting. So I'm also turning this off right now. Then there's an option called deposit booking. So what's this? For an example, if your meeting is paid, let's say $9.99, and you want your client to pay like only $4 upfront, so you can use this feature, and then you can use like percentage. So if you put here like 30, that means 30% of this payment will be taken in advance, or if you want, you can also insert a fixed amount right here. So let's say I want $4, right? Okay, so I'm just disabling this part as well right now. You do have the option to apply coupons and then enable refunds. So these are all self-explanatory things. Now let's move on to the availability section. So this is where the fun part happens. So this actually tells the clients when you are available for the meeting. If you want, you can edit it. Just click on here, edit availability, and you'll be able to edit the actual time for this meeting. From here you do have the option to enable buffer time. So if you want, you can like add a specific amount of time before or after the meeting. You can choose any kind of time you want. I'm leaving this part off. Then limit, you can also limit your meeting. You can specify how many meetings you want per day or per week or per month basis. So I'm also leaving this part off as of now. And booking time frame, this is an interesting one. Now what's this? For an example, you want this meeting, the web development meeting, to run for 3 months. So after 3 months, no one will be able to book you in this meeting. So what you can do is you can just select it like in days or in years. So in 3 months it should be like 90 days. So after this 90 days, no one will be able to book the meeting. So I'm also turning this feature off right now. Then we have the appearance setup. So here you'll be able to set your brand logo, and you'll be able to set your brand color. Oh, my logo is orange, so I should be selecting this orange color as the brand color. And from here you'll be able to set up the booking layout. So you can do the month view, week view, and day view, and this is what your client will actually see on the front end. So I'm leaving this as month view. This is the standard one. Now if we go to the advanced settings, we have a bit of more information right here. So what we are getting here, we are getting the cancellation option. So if you want, your client can cancel a meeting after they book it, so you can enable this option, or you can disable this option as well. Then rescheduling, you can also allow your clients to reschedule the meeting to another date, so you do have that option as well. And these are the booking questions. So if you want to take extra information from your clients, you can add them right here. So by default you'll be getting two, that is what's your name and what's your email address, and if you want to take any extra custom questions, then you can add them right from here. So let's say we're just selecting this one as well. So tell us about your meeting. Okay, and this is the calendar integration, and there you go. This is how we can create a one-to-one based meeting right inside Timetics. And how we can view it, we can just click on preview, and this is the actual link that you can use for this meeting. And here we can see that we have perfectly got everything right here. And let's see if anyone wants to book you for the 27th of January, then they can select here and they can select your availability time, and from here they'll be able to book you. So this is how you can do this, and this is super easy with Timetics AI.